Hello you guys, and today's video is going to be a wash day, and this is why my hair is like this. So today's products that we're going to be using for this wash day is the Meille Rosemary Mint Multivitamin Daily Styling Cream. This is infused with biotin and encourage growth. So today we'll be using the styling cream, the shampoo, the styling cream, I also got the strengthening oil as well. This is for daily use, scalp treatment, and split end care. As well as the strengthening hair mask. Now they didn't have a conditioner, so I think they only had the mask. This is going to be my first time trying these products, and we're going to see how it goes. I don't think I'm going to use the styling cream today. I might not, because I am putting box braids in my hair, so that will be another video. So let's get into this wash. Okay, so here I am in the shower drenching my hair with the water. I do have high porosity hair, so it does take a good minute for the water to actually soak into my hair. And on this day, my hair was really dry, and I didn't put any products in my hair or detangle it, so I had a problem with dryness. So hopefully this worked out. Well, it actually worked out really good. So as you see, I am shampooing my hair. It took about a few pumps the first time because I guess my hair was so dry, but as you can see, my curls are popping. I have 4C hair, but I think I have like 4C and 4A hair. I really don't know. I don't keep up with the texture of my hair, and I kind of really don't care. So yeah, so you can see here I'm doing a few pumps, and the second time I washed my hair I only needed about 2 pumps and it lathered up real good. So normally that's how shampoo is, to be honest. So yeah. So now you see me parting my hair, getting ready to put on the conditioner, and this stuff is really strong. So it has a really strong mint smell, peppermint smell, and a really strong rosemary smell. It smells good, but it's like strong. So, but I'm detangling my hair. I did need a lot, but I didn't need a lot. So I had a minimum dosage of it. I still had to put about 2 scoops of what I just showed you. I had to put 2 scoops on both sides because I like my hair to be conditioned and to know that it's conditioned, because my hair soaks up so much water and so much product. So I just want to make sure that the product run through, and the glide was very good. It was tough putting it through my hair at first, like detangling my hair at first, but after I got the product through with a little bit of water and I detangled it, it was very easy to go through, and I could run my fingers through, as you seen earlier. is my hair after the aftermath. So the conditioner, the mask did say keep it on there for about 15 to 20 minutes, but I'm actually putting box braids in my hair, so I don't have time to do all that. So I am about to blow dry my hair off camera, but I am going to use the oil to oil my hair. And after I finish oiling my hair, I am going to put the styling cream on my hair just so it can have moisture. Alright, so this is what my hair looks after it is blow dried out. And I have the styling cream on here, and I have the oil for my scalp. I put some more oil on my scalp because it probably, you know, dried out or whatever, but I put it on my hair too. So this is the end results. I will show you guys on my next video with my box braids how everything turned out, and how I use these products to moisturize, condition, and to start up my box braids, and actually how to start up the box braids. You can go to any store, and that's Alani's tail, but you can go to any store to get these the shampoo. It took after the first pump, it lathered up pretty fine, as you guys can see. And the smell, you can smell the rosemary, you can smell the mint in these products. I really like it. Make my hair conditioned, and the shampoo cleansed my hair. I won't say it's a moisturizing shampoo, it's more of like a cleansing shampoo. Ma'am, can you stop walking past here with your tail? But it's more of a cleansing shampoo. But other than that, I really like this product. It really did good for my hair. I don't know my hair texture. I guess it's like 4C. But you can pick this up at Sally's or your local hair store. And this video is not sponsored, but I can't wait for you guys to see the finished results. And without further ado, I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to see more hair videos and other videos. Follow me on all of my social media in the description below, and I will see you guys later.